First question, 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Answer
2.
Second question, 4 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Answer
4.
Question number 3, 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 4. Answer
4.
Question number 4, 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Answer
0.
Question number 5, 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Answer
0.
Question number 6, 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Answer
3.
Question number 7, 4 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Answer
4.
Question number 8, 3 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. Answer
3.
Question number 9, 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. Answer
1.
Question number 10, 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus 4. Answer
4.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you.